time, me I tell them to the youth them, how the future, them a go rise. Intelligent minds, one of a kind. Every one of us that's living, thank God for the life He given, yeah. Every ghetto youth is a star. Every ghetto youth wanna live life. Every ghetto youth want a big house and a big car in a driveway. Tell them that I'm my way. Me have it, hunt for it. Ghetto youth, we are the blood clot fruit that we labor. Tell them so we be kind to all our neighbor. Thank God, me come from a humble beginning, and now me up and I go winning. Although some of us be sinning, just we make these millions, yeah. I feel life. Every ghetto youth is a star. Every ghetto youth want own a car. Every ghetto youth want live life. The ghetto youth them have to rise. We are the future. Presidents and tutors, lawyers, success in our future. We never stop. Ghetto youth all the line we have a chop. Just forget the money pan, yeah. Just forget the money pan side. Tell them so we bright the pan a space flight. Yeah, pan a different height. Get a youth, yeah, we shining bright. Just like one fucking street light, dog. Bright up the place, dog. They get the youths, are the future. Are the future. All of we working toward our goal. Not a spliff so we cannot fall. A lot of people want to see we in a hole. That's why we roll up with spliff like a scroll. Get rid of the pain. Smoke the weed by the highest strain. It a running on my brain and my veins. And you better know say it not drive me insane. I no coke. Get a youth, we not dep on a joke thing. Rich thing, no broke thing. Better know we steady up, we ready up. We make the paper, hustle in the street, dog. Cause we have to eat, dog. Have to food, have to dep on the plate, dog. Tell them we not hesitate, we go for it. Go for it now. Have to rise, dog. And that is no surprise, dog. Some people bad mind, dog. You can't see it, not wise, dog. If you're true, they don't want to be around you. Steady.